Here we go, money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stock Brother bringing you those bangers. On this channel, we review hot stocks and are always looking for those hidden gems. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Join the family by subscribing to the Patreon so we can all get that paper together. Make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on all the important information I'm bringing to you. Let's get that paper. What's going on, SBA family? Shout out to the paper chasers and the money makers. Welcome to my channel where I post monthly videos on my personal journey in the stock market and at the same time giving back by helping y'all make some serious cash.
Cash money.
Be sure to check out the postings of my winners in the YouTube community section. The link is in the description below. Also, family, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps my channel with the YouTube algorithm and it helps others discover my channel. Let's spread the love. Today we're going to be discussing two penny stocks that we made some money on. One of which was Therapeutics, ticker symbol BTTX. BTTX was a stock that I told you guys about on my last long form video. That was a gem that I gave you guys, and hopefully you guys made some money on it. We sure did. As we can see right now, it's trading at 62 cents, which was a lot lower than what we got in, but I'm gonna explain all that once we get into the video. Okay guys, I'm gonna also be dropping another banger for August, so just make sure you stay tuned for that. Please make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss all the important information I'm giving to you guys, okay? Alright, so you definitely don't want to miss that next banger that I'm going to be giving y'all. Now, before we get started, we're going to take care of some business, then get right into it. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about investing in stocks, making that money, and of course, making more money.
Cash money.
So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the hot new videos, and smash that like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so we can all get that paper together. Subscribe to the Patreon to join the family, and as a bonus, you get real-time alerts of when I buy and sell my stocks. It's an easy way to follow along and get that paper, baby. Alright guys, so as I mentioned previously, Therapeutics was a stock that I gave you guys last month. Ticker symbol BTTX. It's a penny stock. We deal with all types of different stocks, but I really specialize in penny stocks. And the reason for that is the potential for reward is great. Penny stocks are risky, but the reward can be tremendous. Okay, so that's why I delve into these and I've been very successful with that. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the transactions that we made last month. Okay, so here we can see that I picked up 2,000 shares of BTTX at about 97 cents, and then we ended up selling the stock back on July 11th at $1.24. Therapeutics took off for us after they received FDA authorization for their device for type that treats adults with type 2 diabetes. So this was the catalyst that we were waiting for, and that helped us make that money. So we sold the stock and we came out with a gain of $536.46, which was a 27% gain. And this is why I love these penny stocks, because you don't see these type of gains in a short period of time with the large cap stocks. Okay, but again, penny stocks are risky, so you gotta be careful with these stocks. And BTTX was a perfect example of why. Now remember, we sold the stock at $1.24, and now it's currently trading at 62 cents. And this is why I'm talking about these penny stocks being risky, because you really need to know when to get out. Okay, you can't stay in these stocks too long. So if you didn't make any money on this, it's probably because you held on to it too long. Okay, what we do is we buy these stocks, we get out, then we move to the next stock. That's how we make our money. Okay, so don't get greedy with these stocks. Don't fall in love with these stocks. Just buy them, make your money, sell them, and then move on. The next stock we're going to talk about is Soluna Holdings, ticker symbol SLNH. This is another penny stock that we made some good money on, and then we're going to take a look at the transactions for that one as well. With Soluna Holdings, this is a stock that we got into back in March. So I held on to this for a little bit, and this is the reason why. Now, when I bought the stock in March, I was up about, I would say about $500 in April. I didn't sell the stock because I felt that the stock had potential to go a lot higher, and that didn't happen at the time. So for a while, I was at a loss with this stock. All right, so let's go over the transactions for this stock. As you can see here, on March 28th, we picked up 8,185 shares at 27 cents. We had a second transaction that day for 800 shares at 27 cents. And then on April 18th, we picked up 3,487 shares at 25 cents. We ultimately sold all our shares, all 12,472 shares, back on July 26th at 33 cents. I love what the company is doing with their technology, and I also like the CEO. He's very transparent. We may get back in it if it dips, but I'm gonna definitely keep an eye on it. This one is very risky as well because they do have a reverse split on the table. The CEO has stated that he does not want to do the reverse split, but that's his last resort. They have already received a 180-day extension from NASDAQ, so we'll see what happens with that one. So we'll definitely keep an eye on it. I do think they have a bright future, but they're struggling with cash, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so Soluna Holdings. As you can see here, we banked $756.58, which was a 22% gain for us. All right, so we did pretty well on that stock, even though we were in it for a very long time. We'll definitely keep an eye on it and see where it goes. If it dips, we may get back to it, but we'll see. Here we're going to take a look at my alerts in the Discord. As you can see here, BTTX back on July 10th, it started popping off in the after hours. And then the next day on July 11th, I sent the alert out to the family. We sold all of the stocks for that nice gain that we got. And remember, these are real-time alerts. As soon as I send those alerts out, it'll go straight to your phone, your tablet, or whatever device you're using, and then you can act on it and make that money too. Here you can see that I sent the alert out for Soluna on July 26th, alerted to the family when I sold the stock. Okay, so we made $750 on that one. So combined, we made a total of $1,293 on those two penny stocks. So it wasn't a bad month for us at all. I love to highlight when my members win, and some of my members were kind enough to share their wins. We had Paper Chaser Mel Vogue. She made about say $352 on this penny stock, so she did pretty good. She made a couple of big plays recently. I think she's probably over $1,000 now, and she trades from France. Believe it or not, she's all the way. She lives in France and she's trading here, but she did pretty good, and I'm sure she's going to continue doing well. Our next winner on BTTX was Paper Chaser Pat B. Pat B made $963 on this penny stock. Pat B has been another member that has been doing very well with these penny stocks. And Pat, I think he's from either Denmark or Sweden or the Netherlands. I don't remember. And he's been doing pretty well trading with the family. So shout out to you. And our next winner is Paper Chaser SJ Mayberry 10. He made some money on Soluna Holdings. He made about $45 on this stock. Okay, so big congrats to you. And what I try to tell you guys is that it doesn't matter how small your account is. The way you're gonna build wealth is by getting these small wins. These small wins add up over time, and then you can use that money to buy another penny stock and make even more money. If you don't have a lot of money, I do have two different tiers. I have a $9.99 tier, and then I have a $29.99 tier. So okay, so I got something for everybody. So this is the perfect time for you guys to join the Patreon so you can be part of the family. Now as promised, here's the next banger that we got for August. This is Trinity Biotech. Ticker symbol is TRIB. It's currently trading at 98 cents. This is another penny stock that I think that we can make some good money on. They're seeking FDA approval for their device that treats diabetes. They're expecting approval anytime between August and September. So with a lot of these plays, you gotta have patience. I always stress that, having that patience, and patience with a P-A-Y. Okay, gotta have patience with these penny stocks. Okay, guys. So you know your boy already picked up 2,900 shares on this stock, and I'm already up about $300 on it. But I'm gonna be holding this stock until we get FDA approval. Hopefully we get FDA approval, because it's not guaranteed. There's always a risk, but I think there is a good chance that they do get FDA approval. We'll keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully we make some serious money on this one. I have a lot of other plays that we're in, so hopefully you guys can join the family. What I'm charging right now, a lot of people are telling me that I should be charging a lot more. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that. Family, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for today. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on what we discussed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help your boy out by smashing that like button. It helps my channel out with the YouTube algorithm. So until next time, let's get that paper.